Hi guys, Mark here again. This is the setup video for my fireworks display, and as you can see, it's raining. Of course it's raining. It's coming up to Bonfire night in England, and that's what happens. So today's video, I'm going to try my best to actually keep it in the loop as much as I can with my setup. There's no real promises, to be quite honest, with it raining and stuff. I just want to kind of get it done. If you remember, if you watch me firework how-to guide, this is the best time to use your tarps, your clear carrier bags, your bin bags, whatever, to keep your fireworks nice and dry. I've got an old fishing brolly, tarps, another fishing brolly, everything that I could use to keep the floor and my working area dry, I've got out. So yeah, hopefully you'll see a bit more of this video. If not, you'll definitely see the actual display. Nice one guys, and I'll see you in the next clip, hopefully. Hi guys. Right, so if you remember me saying about doing a cool way of securing the fireworks in like an environment where you haven't got grass to stick pegs down and stuff, so this is it. I've got pallets. I've got a couple of other ones just over on the far side, but you can just get standard pallets. You can get them from like most sort of timber yards, or like even if you went to a scrap yard, I'm sure they'll be able to, you know, get you some. So it's basically put your fireworks where you want them. You can either have them this side or that side. You know, you can utilise the space with the size of your fireworks as well. And all I've got is ratchet straps for cars. So basically, you just feed it through the ratchet strap, and you slowly tighten up. Because to be honest, I tested it out a couple of weeks ago, and it sort of started crushing a firework. However, if you just get it nice and gently, that firework's not going anywhere. The back one might, but if you get another one in there, I'm sure it'll keep them all in place. You could always just bunch them, scoot them up a little bit, take the strain off the actual corners, and then tighten up again. And that is when they're definitely not moving. Okay, right guys, so that's what I'm going to be doing this year to secure my fireworks. It's the first time I've properly tested it out, shooting fireworks as well, but I can't see there being an issue. There's, apart from the table wobbling anyway, there's no way these are going to shift anywhere. I'll eventually get round to fusing it up with my igniters and take it from there. Right guys, so hopefully I'll see you in the next clip, because the rain's gone off now. Fingers crossed for me. Okay guys, currently raining again, but what I'll do, I'll show you where I'm up to. So I am currently up to here. I've got all this all fused up and stuff now. So that's the perfect 10 case, if you remember from the stash video. So that's what that is. I've got my igniters and stuff here. I'm going to carry on. I've got some more inside, but I'm literally... It's going to be a tough one because the rain's just non-stop. But I'll keep you posted guys. Hello again everyone. So a little update for you. We've got these all lined up. The rain got that bad before I had to go out and buy a brand new tarp. And lo and behold, the second I do that, it stopped raining. And a tiny little bit of blue sky. So yeah. That happened. Anyway, so as you can see, we've got the banding straps in place, nice and tight, nice and secure, the fireworks now, which is come along really nicely. So we've got everything where we want it to be. I could do with a little bit of tightening, to be honest, but it's not going to rock too much anyway. Okay, so we got this one right round both sides. So this is just one banding strap. So you can literally, if you wanted to have a big enough show, yeah, and you got big enough pallets and stuff, or failing that, you could always just strap all of them together, all your cakes together without pallets. But yeah, so this is where I'm up to. I've just got to strap these in, and then I've got to sort out the finale. I got a couple of cakes for a birthday present off some of my family as well, so I've tied them in with the finale also. I'm sorry if you can hear the pond in the background. Our shoot site is just out that door and down a nice long alleyway, so there's plenty of room. Me guests will be right down the far end of the actual entry, so everyone will be safe and sound. But yeah, that's where I'm up to. If you need one of these big tarps, by the way, I got this from Costco. I got 2 for £20, and it was 16 foot by 12 foot they are. So it's just in case you need to know for getting some yourself. Right guys, hopefully the next time you'll be seeing it, well, it'll be a couple of seconds for you, a split second if anything. It will be shoot time.